Swimming pool ownership has certainly changed over the last few years. Everything has gotten much easier to do. The way that you heat your swimming pools, well, I mean, that's become much more affordable. The way that you pump the water around your swimming pool, that has all become super easy and much more affordable. So then why has the cost of building and buying a swimming pool not gone the same way? Because that seems like it's getting more expensive. I mean, if everything's all gotten super simple and much more streamlined, isn't there an easier way to get your hands on your dream swimming pool? Well, you can DIY your own Aussie-made fiberglass pool with a complete kit. Now, over 1,000 Australian families have already done this, and when you see how amazing the results are, you are 100% going to be on board. Rowan, great to meet you, mate.
Likewise.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Isn't it?
Absolutely stunning day here in Brisbane. So, complete fiberglass pool kit. So the idea is that you're cutting out the middleman, which is quite often the pool builder, who have got heavy marketing budgets, massive overheads with offices, glossy TV ads, magazines, and you're just helping them pay their franchise fee back to the big company as well in your local area. So you're kind of eradicating, for the most part, most of that, and then putting it into your own build.
Yeah, we help people all over the country. So from Perth to Brisbane to Melbourne, you can get a shell, you can get the equipment, and with the right guidance, you can end up with a beautiful pool just like this.
That is crazy. So let's say then, because there's two ways of doing it, like as an owner builder where I can take control of the whole project myself really and just bring in the specialists to do it, because many of them might be my friends, for example, like a plumber or a sparky. So let's look at that first.
Yeah, you've got two options. So one, if you're doing it all yourself, you definitely can do that, and we give you all the documents around Australian standards, installation requirements, so you get all of that side right and keep council happy.
Yeah.
You can call in the mates, as you were saying, and you can get on the shovel yourself.
Yeah.
Or if maybe you want to do more of the project managing and you're happy to be on the phone, we can put you in touch with an installer who can come in, do all the heavy lifting. So supervise the excavation, screeding, backfilling, get the pool level plumbed up. So you get the benefit of their experience, but you're still saving some good money by being an owner builder.
Yeah. And then the other side to that is, let's just say, you know, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, they live in suburban Brisbane, and they wouldn't even know what a screwdriver Phillips head is, right?
Really good point. Like sometimes we do get people ring up and they don't know one end of a screwdriver from the other, and they say, how do we do this? And we can often put people in touch with a fully licensed installer. So the installer will come in and do the entire job.
So this pool, I mean, this is an incredible example of how you do it yourself, right? And I know that the owners of this pool, he's a landscaper, so he's able to do all this landscaping himself. They saved, I think, around 35 grand.
Yeah.
That is a massive amount that you would then all go to a pool company. What would be the example then with someone that was just hiring a licensed installer, like a good example of a saving?
We say that you're going to save at least $5,000 to $10,000.
Yeah.
It just depends on your site and the project, but if you worked on 5, anything more from that is a bonus. Most people probably around that $7,000 mark compared to a full service, full price pool builder.
It's a massive amount of money because that's your landscaping budget.
We started this, we wanted customers to be able to get the same quality pool and the same quality equipment if they did go to one of the top end pool builders, but still save some money. So we wanted to cut the cost, but we didn't want the customers to have to cut quality.
Yeah. When I'm a customer of yours, you have the most efficient and detailed video library of step-by-step instruction.
We introduced the videos because people, when they can see it, we hear from our customers so often that, oh look, I've seen some of your previews, your videos, I think I can actually do this.
Yeah.
And it just gives them that confidence.
CompleteFiberglassPoolKits.com.au is where you'll find these guys. And even if people just want to have a bit of a chat to you and get the layout of the land and find out how it might work for their place, you can just have a chat to them and give them some quotes and start building the picture for them, can't you?
Yeah, absolutely. We'll run them through everything, and most of our customers have never owned a pool before, so we step them right through.
Such a great idea. Thank you so much, mate. I appreciate
Pleasure.
it today. Good to meet you. Thank you.
Likewise, thank you.
Should we have a swim?
Yeah.